Hello everybody, hi to all. Today I make video my entry to uh, celebrate of high lock picker of 50 subscribers, and I see now it's 76 if I not mistake. So I wish you more subscribers, and I wish you good luck in your channel, and wish all good in your life. So I start to make this video. What first we need to show, I start from locks. What I can to pick many times. How you say nice from locks from garbage box, something I don't know how to say it right. So okay, it's not all locks, because one lock I have just 1 month. I use him. I found this lock in YouTube channel of another picker. This lock from Nigby. It's very interesting lock, really. I make from him. I start to make from him tools, and it's have two crosses of one cross of pins, one cross of it's not pins, it's not sliders. It's something Medeco. Medeco lock. First rows of elements, because it's turned and it's up and down, and pins very difficult to work here, pins, because many points on the way. And I make where is it was here, just a tool for up rows of elements. This tool, you need very thin tool, and strong, not something strong you need. And it's you work first, second, third, four, five, and you need to push and turn it, or here or out. So interesting lock, but I not have time for him now, and it's on pause. All learning process and picking process. This is a lock give me my one of friends from locksmith service. This is Eva MCS magnetic lock. I not have K. I have some information what I need to do, what kind of tools I need to make, why, and some story about what and how. But I not have time for him. It's I need the time for him, and I have just one module, and I can to get him. It's problem for learning, for learn this lock. But I have another ways to understand what and how it work in this lock. Okay, and I not try 1 second of for this lock. And now I show something. I have everything you can to see. If I don't have box, if it's one lock. If I have box, big box, it's very big problem. Not problem, but very long story. Long story. More 1 year. This is lock. I want to show lock. Kaba Expertise 22 pins. Now, this is my lock. Kaba Expertise have 22 pins. I have this lock many times. I try to pick him. I don't know how how times and it's he's working excellent. His story, I don't know why it's work excellent, but it's work very nice quality of lock. This brand really make something very quality and good and nice. So have 22 pins for lock, and all cutting what you see here is just after tensioners. When you put here tensioner, now I don't have here something for this lock. I have special for this size. It was like new on a start position before years, but when you give tension, it's make little problem. After you need to make it to make something for you can to keep it, and this problem just more big. You can to do something, and so. And this lock, I found another way. I give tension now from here, but now I not give not tension, not nothing, because I not have time now. And now I show all story of my Kaba picking process. It's not all story. It's what I can to put on the table. This is second part of this lock. Got in all elements. This is down left, down right, up left, up right side, and all pins, all elements, driver pins and pins, how, what, and all information, and I write here what and how. So this is of this Kaba. Now I have this Kaba. This Kaba, just a moment. No, this Kaba now have 4 pins. 4. Maximum pins was in this lock. It's Kaba Expertise 22, but here was maximum 3 round of 4 pins, so 12 pins was here maximum, and 12 pins was picked, but 12 pins is not 22, so 22 not was picked. And this my training Kaba lock, but I not have. I need to make it a set of 4 gutting of this lock, because to gut Kaba lock and to back all elements in the lock, it's very difficult story. It's not easy, very not easy story. So I need to make it another. It's a very hard way to to go this way. So 12 pins was picked, and I'm in the middle in the middle of the way for picking full picking of this lock. So I have all elements of Kaba, new Kaba, not new, second hand, but it's after after Locksmith Center, but working excellent. One side, two side, Kaba Expertise 22, like. With I believe this Kaba will pick full, but I not like to move quickly in learning process. So this is story of Kaba lock. This my favorite lock of locks what I not picked. I wish to myself to pick this lock and to work this lock, not just to pick him one time and that's all. Not to pick this lock nice and excellent. So it's about locks. About tools is short story. I not have many tools, brands or something like that. No, I have tools from my subscribers and my homemade. And what you say about rakes, and if I understand right, and about two hooks what I like. And now all rakes, it's not mine and it's not from store, no, from shopping. It's my subscribers who don't want to be I say who is it, make very nice tool, very good tool, very good steel, and all his workings. This for Dimple, this his tool too. I test him now. So, but not about this. I need to say. So rakes I have. I don't know. I not. I use with rakes, but there is special moment. I not use very many, and it's all. And about hooks, this I made before many time, and this maybe it's not beautiful, maybe it's not look something very nice, but this is very very good nose of hook. I pick just with this hook very many locks, really good. And I have one for zipping method and to finish and to work with this. It's something for test and zipping and test. So I like this tool and this tool, but for full picture, I show what I like in all tools, all I have multi-pick, but it's not enter in this story. This I take when I need little more no to enter in the lock. Good hook. So not I don't know. We need two or two. These two or these two, because up pins and down pins, if I say right. So it's my story. If I make something not correct, say me please. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Good luck, everyone. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Hi, lock picker, and I wish you good luck. Bye bye.